Today, I want to tell you about an amazing strategy that gives us a very good win rate and provides us with small stop losses. The important point about this strategy is that it gives us signals at key points, which are important price action points for us, and this is very appealing to me. Please subscribe and don't forget to like before we dive into this strategy. The first indicator we use is the linear regression candles, such as this is the indicator. Well, when you add this indicator, as you can see, the indicator is a bit cluttered. What you need to do is hide the main candles, and this indicator will create candles for us. The next point to consider is that you absolutely must make changes to the parameters of this indicator. We change the signal smoothing to 7 and to make it more visible. I set this plot to this mode, meaning we make this indicator a bit thicker. Well, our indicator turns out like this. This indicator is okay for us across different time frames, meaning it works and gives us a really good win rate. The point is that I personally trade on the 15-minute time frame and use this. I even use it on 1-minute time frames and have seen that it has a very good win rate. The second indicator that I use deity should tremble. Well, for this indicator, you also need to make some adjustments to its settings. We need to change the kill level to 2 and convert the ATR period to 11. If you've come this far, please hit subscribe, because on this channel, we review different strategies. We tell you the best strategies. Then, in this case, we try to have strategies that have very good growth. So, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Alright, let's see how our signals are. As you can see, we have buy and sell signals on the UTI bot indicator. Well, if our candlestick has broken the linear regression line from above, and we also have a signal on the UTI bot, we take a position. There. Here, if we have taken a long position, as you can see, we were in a profitable position. Let's go back. Indeed, here we had a short position, which was also profitable for us. There are various points regarding these indicators. Here it also gave us a signal which was successful. Well, let's look for where we shouldn't consider a signal. As you can see here, the series of signals given to us wasn't correct, but the cross we had at this point wasn't downward. So, we don't execute a buy signal here. I recommend that when the signal, here you must. We should have experienced a price extremum indeed. If you pay close attention to the buy signal we have here, you'll clearly notice that we are not at a swing point, and the long position given to us here is not correct. Well, let's take a look. Here, it can indeed be an extremely correct position for us because we had a price drop and a buy signal, along with a linear regression indicator cross. Up to this point, it can be said that it hasn't given us a signal for a position. Well, another point is that I really don't take a sell position here myself, but if I have taken a sell position here because I have so much faith in this strategy, I would apply a martingale approach here. If the position is closed with a loss here, and if the position has been closed with a loss, I would apply a martingale approach. For example, if I have taken a 0.1 position, here I would take a 0.15 or 0.2 position to offset the loss incurred here. You can test this strategy on different time frames, and let me know if this strategy really helps you or not. Personally, I have used this strategy and achieved very good results. And from now on, I will most likely share the strategies of this strategy in the channel, so you can see whether this strategy can really help or not. I emphasize again to hit subscribe because these strategies can really help you and can increase your profitability. Thank you very much for being with me today as well.